Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel 99 Reviews. In this video, I am going to tell you how to use unlimited Elevenlabs. After watching this video, you can use Elevenlabs for unlimited words, and you can access all voices. So let's start the video. First, open Chrome and search Temp Mail. And Elevenlabs gives you 10,000 words for free, which you can use for changing text to voice. And when these 10,000 will complete, you can change email in the temp mail by pressing this change button and then repeat the process. That's it for the video. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting videos like this.